everyone! Welcome back to Knowledge Park, the place where curiosity comes alive and knowledge becomes power. Great to have you here. Today, we're unpacking an incredible topic that's going to completely change the way you look at yourself. What if I told you that your everyday body is capable of things you'd only expect from sci-fi movies? Abilities so precise, so powerful. Most people go their entire lives without realizing they exist. Today, prepare to have your mind blown as we reveal the hidden superpowers already hardwired into you. You are not just human. You are living superhuman. Even without vision, your brain builds a map of the world using subtle echoes. Footsteps, breaths, clothing rustle. Your brain converts micro sounds into spatial awareness. You are using human echolocation every day without knowing it. Your eyes can detect a single photon, the smallest unit of light. A superpower so precise it borders on quantum level sensitivity. Your nose is a hypersensitive chemical detector capable of distinguishing billions of smells, more than nearly any machine ever built. Cut your skin, break a bone, bruise a muscle. Your body instantly launches a repair program. Cells divide, tissues rebuild, bones fuse. You possess one of the most advanced self-healing systems in nature. Pain isn't suffering, it's survival. Your body's high-tech alarm prevents far greater damage. Inside you, a silent war never stops. Your immune system learns, adapts, remembers, creating custom biological weapons to defeat threats. It is biological, artificial intelligence. Your brain can reduce pain, improve symptoms, and accelerate healing just through expectation. Placebo isn't fake. It's your brain releasing real medicine. The hypothalamus precisely controls your body's temperature, activating heating, cooling, sweating, shivering. A life-saving thermostat. Muscle memory isn't in the muscles, it's in the brain. Neural pathways automate complex skills, allowing peak performance effortlessly. Walking and running feel simple, but every step is a coordinated masterpiece. Balance, momentum, and energy storage in tendons and ligaments create a system more refined than any machine. Your body withstands extremes: heat, cold, stress, altitude, pressure. You are a biological machine, built for survival and adaptation. Everything you need to optimize your health and performance is already inside you. Honor your biology. You are living superhuman. Your brain doesn't experience time. It constructs it. In danger, perception slows. In joy, it speeds up. Your brain predicts the future every split second. Humans aren't the fastest or strongest, but we are the ultimate endurance species. You can outrun horses over long distances thanks to an unmatched sweating system. Cells recycle themselves through autophagy, a built-in anti-aging system that clears waste, repairs mitochondria, and restores cellular health. You don't react, you predict. Your brain forecasts movement, sound, danger, language, filling gaps before they happen. Prediction is the core of consciousness. Fear sharpens reflexes. Love reduces pain. Confidence improves precision. Your emotions instantly alter physical performance. During sleep, your brain clears toxins, muscles repair, hormones reset, and memories consolidate. Sleep is your nightly superpower upgrade. You detect micro expressions in milliseconds, sync heartbeat with loved ones, and sense emotions subconsciously. Human social intelligence is unmatched. Unlike any other species, humans imagine worlds, see patterns in chaos, and create ideas from nothing. Creativity is an evolutionary superweapon. You can run on glucose, fat, or ketones. Your body can switch fuels to survive and even generate heat internally. Your gut contains 100 trillion microbes that influence mood, immunity, metabolism, and longevity. You are a superorganism. Your genes are not your destiny. They turn on and off based on environment, diet, stress, and habits. You can reprogram your biology. Adrenaline boosts strength. Endorphins erase pain. Oxytocin deepens bonds. Hormones create temporary superhuman modes. Some humans are born with unbreakable bones, natural high muscle mass, ultra-fast metabolism, and pain insensitivity. Real-life genetic X-Men powers. Some humans push biology to the extreme, withstanding freezing temperatures, raising body heat with meditation, memorizing thousands of digits. These are the outer limits of human potential. You are not fragile. You are not ordinary. You are a biological masterpiece, crafted through evolution, experience, adaptation, and hidden intelligence. Step into the world recognizing what you truly are. Living superhuman. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Your support helps us grow and brings more amazing content straight to you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.